Challenged by your storage growth rates? For most companies, data is their most prized possession. The amount of data that's being stored, protected, and analyzed is growing by leaps and bounds. In fact, data could be considered the new natural resource. Don't let your most important data go unprotected. Linear Tape Open, or LTO, is a high-capacity, single-reel tape storage solution offering the best compatibility, portability, and security available today for backing up and archiving your data at low costs. You may be thinking, tape for storage, really? Despite the common misconception that backing up for storing to tape is slower than disk, tape delivers some of the best performance possible when comparing streaming performance. In fact, it's faster than disk. LTO7 technology is the latest in a long line of tape products that companies from around the world choose as a way to protect their most valuable data and content. Designed for an optimal blend of attributes, LTO7 technology provides industry-leading capacity, performance, compatibility, interchangeability, and cost control in an open format that's backed by some of the most reliable names in storage. With up to 6 terabytes of native storage, 15 terabytes compressed in a single cartridge, LTO7 tapes provide more than double the compressed capacity of the previous generation of LTO tape. It's faster too, with up to 300 megabytes per second native transfer rate, up to 750 megabytes per second compressed. That's nearly 2.7 terabytes of data transferred per drive per hour, compressed. LTO tape drive encryption specified in all LTO generations since LTO4. It features a 256 symmetric key AES GCM algorithm that's implemented at the drive level, which enables compression before encryption to maximize tape capacities and deliver high performance during backup. With the growing importance of regulatory compliance, LTO program worm implementation is designed to provide users a cost-effective storage medium that can preserve corporate data in a non-rewritable, non-erasable, and unalterable format. The Linear Tape File System, or LTFS, is an open software specification that allows for new, simple ways to access data on tape. It was first introduced with LTO5 technology in 2010. With LTFS, accessing data stored on an LTO Ultrium tape cartridge is as easy and intuitive as using a USB flash drive. It's as easy as drag and drop. LTFS defines the organization of data on the tape into a directory structure, much like you'd use to access files on a thumb or disk drive. It's a self-describing tape format, which means that you don't need to rely on proprietary backup software. With partitioning, tape is divided lengthwise into 2 sections or partitions. The smaller partition holds the index, which includes the file system information and metadata that provides details about the files contained in the second partition. When the tape is inserted, the index is quickly copied from the first partition to the workstation or server memory to deliver simple, fast access to the files that you need. You can start using LTFS in 4 easy steps. All you need is an LTO5 or later generation LTO drive and cartridge. Download the LTFS code from your drive vendor's website. Install LTFS and any other application that comes with the software. Available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Mount the drive, load a cartridge, and format it. The LTFS configurator tools will allow you to do this in a very intuitive way. At this point, you're ready for drag and drop content to and from tape. There are lots of threats that can make your data vulnerable. Natural disasters, fire, system error, human error, mirroring errors, viruses, theft, hackers, and sabotage, just to name a few. LTO media has up to 30 years shelf life, ideal for long-term data archiving. Hardware-based data encryption. Worm cartridges to address compliance regulations. Easy to remove from location. Offline storage to protect from online data corruption. Reed-Salomon error correction and protection algorithms. 4 orders of magnitude better error rate than disk. Read while write technology immediately verifies data. Important data rarely stays put. In fact, data often needs to be accessed from or stored in a different location from where the data originated. Thanks to the portability of LTO tape, that's never a problem. LTO specifications are an open format designed for interoperability. Each LTO generation reads 2 generations back and writes 1 generation back. Easily stored offline to protect against online data corruption. Easily stored off-site in case of a disaster recovery situation. Limited budget means that data storage managers need to get creative with how they tackle their storage needs. When it comes to long-term archiving, storage managers have to think about a lot of factors: equipment, media, maintenance, energy costs, and floor space. LTO technology offers a solution. LTO technology also requires less floor space. Tape consumes 0 energy on the shelf. LTO is the most energy efficient and cost-effective method for storing data. The LTO compression algorithm is completely lossless, and it will compress data by default only if the data can be successfully compressed. LTO7 media offers up to 6 terabytes per cartridge native, up to 15 terabytes compressed, with transfer speeds up to 750 megabytes per second. Capable of storing up to 800 HD movies per cartridge. Brought to you by the most trusted vendors in storage. LTO technology allows users to have multiple sources of product and media, as well as compatibility between different vendors' offerings. That's the LTO difference. LTO is cost-effective, reliable, and portable, giving you confidence in knowing that your data is there when you need it. It's scalable, providing a broad range of system applications where high capacity, high transfer rates, and high reliability are important. To learn more about LTO and the numerous benefits of a tape storage system for your long-term data storage needs, visit our website, lto.org. LTO, technology you can rely on today, tomorrow, and well into the future.